What's going on, guys? Welcome, Rabid here, and today we're looking a little bit about VerusCoin. So if you're unfamiliar with VerusCoin and you follow some people around, various YouTubers and Twitter accounts, you may have heard about this coin over the past couple days. And if you follow the live streams I do every weekend, you probably heard me say something about needing to stack more coins before something happens. So this is a good chance for me to stack up some coins before something major happens. And a fork just went through, which is making this coin look very profitable at the current time. But it won't last forever. Let's look at why. So if we head on over to mining pool stats, you can see the one major reason why we're profitable right now. So there was a recent network upgrade here, and Luck Pool seems to be the only pool that has done it so far. It looks like this one right here actually is picking up hash again, but again, I cannot confirm if it's doing what it should because a lot of these pools aren't really. Actually, I see Verus.io Zerg pool now is finding blocks, so we'll see what happens here, but we're still pretty low on the hash rate. So we were previously at around 249 gigahash, and then it dropped down to the 49s, 50s. I think we're around 77 or so right here, 77. So we're still down quite a bit in hash rate. Now we are seeing 123.32 gigahash here. I don't think this is the proper number yet until a lot of these pools come online, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. Regardless, the network hash is way down. Now what happened here? So they had an update here, and it looks like they're going to be enabling, I guess, asset creations, tokens and stuff within VerusHash. And then it's going to be all like merge mined if it's on the VerusHash algorithm. If you're familiar with like Litecoin and Dogecoin, those are merge mined together. And depending on the pool, you're getting paid out in either Dogecoin, getting paid out in either Litecoin. And it's going to be like the same thing here as long as it's all set up proper and depending how they I guess get their asset and everything going. But this is a very interesting thing I want to point out. So look at this. This is very big deal. VRSC, Verus ID, everything Ethereum should be redesigned the way Ethereum can't be. that's hilarious. I love that. So we're looking at something that can do everything Ethereum can, but is doing it in a way where, you know, Ethereum is literally stealing any user's money because their gas fees are extremely high. So it's very interesting in that aspect. So based on recent activity here, this is the past 24 hours that I was mining to Luck Pool here using the new miners. Now Hell Miner is the only one that supports this. To Luck Pool, there is a CC miner and a CC miner for GPUs as well. Just to let you know, guys, I know you're all excited, GPUs. I'm almost starting to feel sorry and bad for GPUs because they just stuck kind of, well, there's no way around it. They suck now. You can't deny and say, you know, they're great. They're not. They're not good right now. When it comes to profitability, GPUs literally suck right now, and they have been ever since the Ethereum merge. So coming in here, there is a GPU release. You can mine this coin on GPUs, but just like I just finished saying, CPUs are better in hash rate and efficiency by a large chunk, and they still suck. But you still have the possibility to mine it on a GPU, but I would recommend using CPUs. So here I have past 24 hours. I'll just go into the earnings here. We can see 55.5 Verus past 24 hours. Now I do have 30 rigs online right now. You can see here I got my workstation, the little one's 3700X, my server, which is 3900X, and then 27 rigs are hanging out in HiveOS, various between 3900X, 3950s, and 5950X CPUs. Total of 30, but we are at 55 Verus. Current price, that is about $38.64. So that's over $1 per rig. $30 would be $1 per rig, but here we're at 38. Now, if this is, I'm from Canada, so in fact, go straight across the board here. This is about $55 in one day that my farm is making. If I actually go take a look at a GPU right now, the 4090, which is expensive, is making 76 cents a day. We're going before power here. Remember, the CPUs are using under 100 watts or something for VerusCoin, and this is using like 200 and some watts. Regardless, we're at profit 26, 43, 38, 60, 33, 44. We can see that the profitability isn't really there. And at 11 cents per kilowatt hour, because GPUs do use quite a bit of juice, the profit it's not there. GPUs suck. That's the bottom line. Now, obviously, once all the other pools do start updating, once RabidMiner and the other miners, devs do upgrade their miners, we're going to see hash rate start picking up. And then we're going to, you know, obviously the profitability is going to start dropping down, and we're going to probably swap over to some other coins that we were previously mining. But for now, we're hanging out on VerusCoin. Now, the big thing here is I believe Retro Mike was saying it's in 7 to 8 days at the time of recording is when the first merge mineable coin will be releasing. So depending on how that coin and everything does as well, we will see, you know, the profitability pick up a little bit. We're also getting all the transaction fees that Ethereum 1559 took away. Now, we're not seeing massive gas fees. This is a lot cheaper than using Ethereum, but the miners are receiving those rewards in the block reward. So that's another step there. So we are seeing a merge mineable coin. So we're going to see 2 coins being mined at the same time. Depending how any of these pools do adapt, it will depend how our payouts work. We're going to be getting both coins, or we're going to get paid out in just VerusCoin. Still, I don't really know the answers. And again, we could be seeing later on down the road 15, 20. I don't know if there's a maximum number there, but a lot more merged coins at the exact same time, which is a pretty big deal here. And this is now allowing everyone to start building on top of VerusCoin, which is pretty huge. It's a pretty big thing happening here. So this is awesome. So, you know, I thought I'd bring some light over to VerusCoin here. Again, I don't know 100% on everything that's going on. I got to look into it all, but things are starting to brighten up leading into the bull run, which is literally like just over a year away from now. So that's pretty crazy to think about as well. So I did go into the CPU mining calculator just to have a look at some rough coins, and we can see VerusCoin is obviously leading the charge. Now, I don't think these numbers are 100% accurate yet because I still need the proper data to add in everything that changed. So things aren't 100% at this point right now. So this isn't 100% right, but we are over $1 on, you know, a 3900X and stuff. And then we got Darrow here coming in at 84 cents, 58 cents profit. So we're seeing a bunch. AVN looks a little broken here from the API, but we're seeing a bunch of CPU mineable coins here, which are in profit levels, and there's a bunch here that are above GPUs, obviously, and it's a lot cheaper to build a CPU rig, a lot cheaper than a lot of people think. And then on top of that, you know, we also have a lot of coins I still have to get added onto this, which are pretty profitable as well. So I don't know. I really love CPU mining. I know you guys that follow the channel love CPU mining as well, and some of you guys are looking into it. It's great, but VerusCoin profitability as of right now is looking amazing, but it is going to change. This isn't going to last forever. The next big step will be when that merge mineable coin does release, and we'll have to see how profitability looks, because in the next 2 to 3 days, we're going to start seeing this hash rate spike. I imagine these pools are on the ball trying to get updated ASAP, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, thank you for checking out this video. I will see you on the next one. Verus out.